Who are you?
My name is Don Tolliver. I'm an artist from Houston, Texas. One of the most legendary you'll ever see.
सो गाइस फाइनली डॉन टॉलिवर ने ड्रॉप कर दी अपनी एल्बम ऑक्टेन को अभी। और भाई सुबह सुबह ये लाइव स्ट्रीम भी कर रहे थे, तो मैंने देखा भाई ये लाइव स्ट्रीम क्यों कर रहे थे, तो मैंने लाइव स्ट्रीम देखी इनकी और भाई उस पर एल्बम का प्रीव्यू कर रहे थे एंड एल्बम बहुत ही जोरदार जा रही थी। वहाँ पे यीट भी था। आई वाज लाइक ओके लेट्स वॉच हिम। He was performing his album on the live stream. And oh my god, this album is so good. Every track feels so good. You all know that Don Toliver never misses. He was doing the live stream and I was damn excited when he was gonna drop the album. That live stream was so good. We saw the Yeet there and they were performing song together. And my god, ये एल्बम है तो इतनी अच्छी, पर क्या ये हार्टस्टोन साइको से अच्छी है? हाँ, ये उससे काफी ज्यादा अच्छी है। I kind of feel like it's very good work of Dawn and it's keep getting better. But when I listen more and more and more, maybe I like this even more. And the fact is, vibe is completely different from the Hearthstone Psycho and its previous work. If we're comparing Hearthstone Psycho was about chaos and adrenaline, but Octane feels more introspective, like Dawn slowing down and letting emotion breathe. And the production on this album layered but never overwhelming. Everything feels splashed perfectly, like it's meant to sink into you slowly. And the last album had many hard tracks like Tora, Bandage, Stone Brothers with Kodak Black. But this album stays melancholic and dreamy, beautiful instead of doing Hearthstone Psycho shit again. But that doesn't mean this didn't have hard songs. Like E85 goes so hard. With those guitars, they were crazy and so beautiful. And Rock Ya Party by the Backstreet Boys goes so crazy in this on the body track. Like it's different from Kanye, you know. Kanye didn't even release his Rock Ya Party song, so whatever. But yeah, you know, it's hard. And the dance verse is also hard with Yeet. You know, I think Yeet's singing keep getting improved with Dawn. Keeps getting better even his come and go track. You can hear the influence of Don Toliver in that track. And the Gemstone. This track is damn hard. It goes so hard. You know, even this beat is crazy. This is new tore up song. Or even better, because this is the hardest song on this album. Even the distorted trumpets or piano, whatever start playing in the intro goes so freaking hard. Not gonna lie, all these features on this album slap my soul directly through my ears and tickle so good that I'll almost touch the heaven's door, bro. Teacher touchdown on all the signs. Jason, Resonance, Travis on Rosary. Oh my gosh, so heavenly. Travis Scott verse was so good on Rosary. And Sabavi on K9. So freaking good. And Dawn doesn't rely on features on this album. Only 5 features. But all are fucking solid. And the other tracks are so heavenly. Tiramisu, Rosary, Secondhand, Long Way to Calabasas. My god, this sounds so heavenly. I'm convinced that Don Toliver was Shiloh Dynasty, but he brought him or her back on this track. Called, what was the intro? This intro was so good. I found my midnight song. I also wish they released the a cappella version of this. And it's so short. I don't know why. Why don't do this to me? Release the a cappella version of this and Deep in the Water. I'm begging you. And the pleasure of mine. My god, intro is so heavenly. Even this beat sounds like a cloud rap, you know? Play Echo to K type shit. It's good. And the way he ends album with Sweet Home is so good. Even the vibe of this song and the chorus keeps looping. Like they're stuck in the cycle, which completes if you notice the lyrics. Like he's drinking and not thinking about tomorrow and he's looking for the real connection. So that's why he's traveling and using alcohol to distract from emotional certainty. और ये एल्बम खत्म तो ऐसे होती है जैसे तुम्हारी क्लास ने तुम्हें रोज का गुलाब दे दिया हो, मतलब गुलाब का रोज दे दिया हो.
I think this album has more replay value. This is the kind of album you just play once and move on. It grows on you and that's what makes it special. I love this album. I'm gonna play this album on my Valentine, with my Valentine, if I go one. So yeah, I'm giving this album 10/10.
और हाँ, आज के लिए इतना ही. मिलते हैं और नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. तब तक के लिए सब्सक्राइब कर दो अभी के अभी.